This is a software tool you can use to create headlines and titles for your content in order to increase your audience response. Quite often a responsive title can greatly increase conversions and sales, as this has been plainly shown by publishers who change the title of books while keeping the content the same. Also, internet marketers change up the headlines on sales pages, which suddenly increases their response rate and conversions to a significant degree. This product includes a swipe database of more than 350,350,000 headlines which you can use as is or employ their title analyzer to tweak the titles and headlines until you get them just right for your specific type of content and audience. It also has a built-in synonym thesaurus. This desktop tool can be installed on up to 3 PCs or Macs. Fresh Title has 4 modules, plus they throw in the title analyzer as a bonus. See below for a more detailed description of the modules and analyzer. This software can be used in order to create titles and headlines for forum posts, blog posts, free reports, emails, social media posts, sales letters, web page titles, articles, press releases, ads, and anything else your imagination can come up with. The good and the not so good. The good, 30-day money-back guarantee. Save money on copywriters. Generates content ideas. Easy to use. Since it is not web-based, you do not need an internet connection to use. Large database of titles and headlines. The not so good will take a bit of time to get used to use of this software effectively. There are a few upsells. They may charge for future releases and major upgrades based on their discretion. Who is Fresh Title and Title Analyzer for? It is ideal for content creators and internet marketers who desire a way to generate new ideas in their specific niches, as well as to create titles and headlines which have a higher probability of converting. Tools and training. Training videos are included to explain how to best utilize this software. Fresh Title has 4 modules. Module 1, Title Builder. In order to maximize your results with this, be very specific as to the details of what type of content you are creating. It is helpful to include the main benefit of your product or service as well as any expected results from using the product or service. You will then be given a large list of possibilities for your title or headline. This is based on the software utilizing approximately 830 possible title and headline combinations. Module 2, Title Swipe Bank. This is a database which includes over 350,350,000 possible headlines as well as 75,000 email subject headlines from which for you to choose. In addition to generating viable titles and headlines for your content, this database will also inspire new ideas for your blog posts and sales pages. You merely enter a keyword and then review all the possibilities which are displayed. Module 3, News Headlines. You are able to search what is currently trending in the news related to your specific topic. The software will search the news through Google and or Bing to come up with trending news headlines. This will increase your database of new ideas for your content and titles. Again, you just need to enter a keyword phrase to get this process in motion. Module 4, Save My Titles. This makes it easy to create a list of your desired headlines and titles. You just use the Favorite tab to save them, and you can also add a few notes about the particular headline and even give it a rating. You can then copy and paste the headlines when you are ready to use them. Another option is you can export this info to a file on your computer. The Title Analyzer. This is software which uses 4 data points in order to generate an overall score for your title or headline. Data point 1, Power Words. By using certain words which have been found to gain attention and interest as well as to stir the emotions, it has been found to help with conversions and sales. Data point 2, Power Score. Your text copy is analyzed and rated as to its overall effectiveness in creating interest in your specific topic. Data point 3, Length Score. The desired length of your headline or title has been determined to be about 55 characters, which equates to around 7 words. This is the so-called sweet spot, as it is better to have titles and headlines which are short and to the point. Data point 4. Sentiment score. With this score rating, you are able to determine when you are using words in your headlines and titles which stir the emotions. Once you have gathered together your scores on the various data points mentioned above, you can then use the software in order to improve your scores as needed. You get individual scores on each data point as well as an overall score. For example, you can use the headline editor to tweak your title a bit to make it more relevant and appealing. This will then increase your response rates and results. Being able to test your headlines and add a few power words here and there will give you a significant advantage.